Hi and welcome to a very short episode of my channel. Today I just want to talk about Betaflight 3.5. I won't go deep into functions and filters and settings and things like this. The reason why I want to talk about it and show you also a first test flight I did is because I'm really happy with Betaflight 3.5. I never flew my quad like it flies today. And this is the reason why I want to talk about it. I just did the update. I used the configurator 10.4.0 and used my Tokyo X frame like I fly it now for around a year or something. And it wasn't bad with 3.3, 3.4 I didn't try because a lot of people talked about hot motors or even burned motors. So I decided to wait for 3.5. And a few days ago I installed 3.5, I updated my FC and the result is just fantastic. What you can see is that you have new filters on the board of pit tuning, and you have total different stock pits than you have it with 3.3 or 3.4 Betaflight, or 3.3 for sure. 3.4 I don't know because I didn't use it. And what I did is just made a setup for my receiver. I didn't touch the filters, I didn't touch the pits. I just did my stock settings I need that my quad flies, and I was really happy about the result. It feels super smooth. You can feel the quad precisely in the air, in my opinion, for freestyle, if you like to fly smooth freestyle. And almost no prop wash. You can see it in the footage in a minute. There are just 2 or 3 situations with a little bit of prop wash, but that was just about my stick skills and had nothing to do with Betaflight. So I really highly recommend update your FC to 3.5. In my case it's the 14EF4, there is 3.5.0 firmware. Some other FCs already have 3.5.1 firmware, so just go to the latest firmware you can get, update your FC, try stock pits, and I'm pretty sure that you will like it. Perhaps not for racing, but for freestyle, for smooth flying, I think it's really great to just use stock, don't touch anything at the settings, and fly it and have fun. So enough about talking, and here we go to the footage. Have fun with the footage, and as always, happy flying, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, bye bye.